Hey guys, welcome back to Autohrycfix. Had a little problem today. Woke up this morning, had a flat tire. So today I'm going to bring you on the journey to how to repair the flat. I went ahead and bought a repair kit on Amazon. I'll show you that. Here's the repair kit. As you can see, you got your thing to make the hole bigger, put the plug in, and all these little extra things. I'll put a link to where to purchase that in the descriptions down below. All right, so here you go. To teach you step by step how to do this. All right, so the first thing to do is find where the slow leak is. Sometimes there's a nail, a rock, glass, something. So you take a little bit of soap and water, put it in a little container, and spray. As you can see, I found mine. It's just right there. You can see it by the bubbling. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna take our pliers, if we can, and pull out the screw, and then we'll take our handy tool here, make the hole a little bigger, so that we can take the other little tool, put our little cork, and plug the hole. So I'll go ahead and do that. Look at that little bugger. So, she goes. There you go. To make the hole a little bit bigger. We're going to take our little plug, string it, oops, string it through, usually get it about halfway. Alright. Go. It's plugged. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a little hard to get in there in and out, but after a few times you'll be able to take it in and out as quickly and as easily. The kit comes with a little knife. You can just cut off the access. There you go. As you can see, it's patched up. Take your soap and water and make sure it's not bubbling. As you can see, no bubbles. So, we did it. And we didn't have to go to the garage. We did it at home. We learned something new. And we bought something on Amazon. So like I said, I'll link the description down below of the kit, and hope you learned something. Hope you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Have a good day, guys.